Hi friends, today we are going to solve two-string problem from dictionary and Hashmap subsection of the interview preparation kit. Given two strings, determine if they have a common substring. A substring may be as small as one character. Very simple problem. I think it is pretty much like the last problem of the ransom note from the same section of dictionaries and Hashmap. So here for string S1, we would be finding all the characters. We'd be taking all the characters and appending to a dictionary, and for the second substring would be just looping through and we will check whether a single word from the second string is present in the dictionary or not. If a single word is present, basically you would be just returning yes, else would be returning no. So for the first thing we'll be assigning a dictionary. Pretty very straightforward problem. So for each i- okay, for each in S1, if each not in dictates dot keys. So if the value is not present in the dictionary, then we would be assigning a key to that value and assign it to the value of 1. So then dictates dot be creating a key with that value and assigning with 1. If that key is already present in the dictionary, we would be basically incrementing that value by +1. Now for the second case, for each in S2, if each in would be returning yes, else, or. Very straightforward problem. So in the first case, we would be creating a dictionary. Let's take an example of AND and ART. So here for A, so basically we'll be looping through A and would be, as for example, in the first scenario, A does not exist in the dictionary. So we'll be creating a key and assign it a value of 1. Similarly for N, assign a value, create a key and assign a value 1. And for D, create a key and assign it the value of 1. Now, for example, if the value is A, so when you're looping through A, so this value of A is already present in the dictionary. So in that case, you would not be assigning a value, but would be adding the current existing value that is present in the dictionary by +1. So A is already present in the dictionary, so it'll be incrementing the current value of A by +1. So in that case, it would become 2. Now let's look at this example. So for AND, we have got all the values of 1. Now for ART, we'll be looping through the ART section. And for the first scenario, for A, we are checking that whether A exists in the dictionary or not. So that key A is exists in the dictionary, so it proves that it's a substring of the S1. And in that case, we'll be returning yes. So there could be a situation where the S2 string could be KKN or KKR. Today, a match of KKR is happening. So anyway, so for the first value of K, there is no key by the K in the dictionary, so nothing happens. Similarly, again you loop through again and one more K. there is no key with K, and then R, there is no keys in the dictionary with the value R. So when we have looped through and we are not able to return any value in our dictionary, would be simply returning no. This is the basic principle, a very straightforward problem, very, very straightforward. So let's run it and let's submit it. So we have submitted the code. Let's check. And the time complexity of this problem is big O of n, because we are creating two for loop. So the value would be big O of n, or if you want more accurate estimate, it would be 2n, because big O of n for this loop, and for the second loop again big O of n. So big O of n plus big O of n equal to 2n, which would be the time complexity of this problem. So if you want it to make it more optimized, means have a better solution, then please comment below. And or if you have a more simpler way of solving this problem, you are always welcome to contribute. And as always, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned.